Hello my dear friends, welcome to learn SAP-FICO. Friends, in a previous video we have learned about introduction of asset accounting and we have learned some important terms which we use in asset accounting. Today we will continue the same topic and we will discuss about some more important terms which we use in asset accounting. Before starting, I request you all, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends and do not forget to like it if you like it. So please like, subscribe and must share. So let's start with asset accounting. First term is ordinary depreciation GL. What is ordinary depreciation GL? Friends, it is created for each asset class. It is created for each asset class. What is the purpose to create this GL? The purpose to create this ordinary depreciation GL is to calculate the depreciation as monthly depreciation will be calculated in this ordinary depreciation GL. This GL will not be a reconciliation account. It is not your reconciliation account. It will be a part of profit and loss account as an expense. We will show this GL as an expense as a part of profit and loss account, as we will calculate a monthly depreciation by this ordinary depreciation GL. For example, we will create for each asset we will create separate GL. I hope it is clear, and if it is not clear, it will more clear when we will do practical and learn the things practically on SAP. Now I am giving you the overview, the terms which we will use at the time of practical of asset accounting. Next is loss on asset sale GL. We will create this GL for all the asset class. We will not create separate GL. Like this GL we need to create separate. For ordinary depreciation GL, we need to create separate GL for each asset class. But this GL, loss on asset sale, we will not create separately. We will create a single GL for all the asset class. And this GL will be a part of profit and loss account as a expense. For example, loss on asset sale GL, we will create a single GL for each asset. For all assets, we will create single GL. Now next is profit on asset sale. We will create one more GL, that is profit on asset sale. We create this GL for all the asset sale, and this GL will be a part of profit and loss account, and we will create only a single GL for all the asset class. For each asset class we will create only one GL. So we create single GL for all the asset class, and this GL will be a part of profit and loss account of revenues, profit on sale, asset sale. So it is a part of revenues of profit and loss account. Next is asset sale clearing account GL. One more GL we need to create, that is asset sale clearing GL. We create single GL for all the asset class, and this GL will be a part of profit and loss account. We will create a single GL for all the asset class, and this GL will be a part of profit and loss account. Next is depreciation key as per Companies Act. It is very important term. Listen very carefully. Depreciation key as per Companies Act. From 1st of April 2014, we calculate the depreciation as per remaining useful life of asset. It is changed by the Companies Act from 1st of April 2014. We calculate the depreciation as per remaining life of asset, remaining useful life of asset. Listen carefully. Now we calculate the depreciation as per remaining useful life of asset. Previously, we use straight line method to calculate this depreciation. Now, after 1st of April 2014, we use remaining useful life of asset method to calculate the depreciation for a Companies Act. Depreciation control key control the calculation parameters of depreciation and percentage rate of depreciation. What is the purpose to create this depreciation key? It is used to control the calculation parameters of depreciation and percentage rate of depreciation. We configure all the parameters to calculate the depreciation in this depreciation key. So, single depreciation key will be created for each asset class. For each asset class, for each category of asset, we create a single depreciation key because now the calculation method is same for all the assets, that is remaining useful life of all the asset. Previously we have to create different depreciation key for, because that time we use the different depreciation method. Now we are using a one depreciation method, that is remaining useful life of asset. So we need to create only one depreciation key for each category of asset class. For example, cost of value of asset is 5 lakh rupees and the useful life of this is 10 years. This useful life is provided by the Companies Act. By the government, we will get to know the useful life of each asset. The core team members will provide you all the informations about useful lives. So we will create only one depreciation key. Then the execution value of the asset is 5 lakh rupees for a 10 years. The formula will be NBV. NBV means net book value. Net book value 5 lakh divided by 10 years. Useful life is 10 years for first year. So the calculated depreciation will be 50,000 for first year. Similarly, for a second year, we will calculate 4,50,000 for a rest useful life is 9 years. So divided by 9 and again 50,000. And similarly for the next year, 4 lakh rupees, remaining useful life is 8 years and 50,000 depreciation again. So we need to create this depreciation key, and this depreciation key controls the calculation parameters of depreciation and percentage rate. Next is depreciation key as per income tax. This depreciation key will be created as per Companies Act, and this depreciation key will be created as Income Tax Act. We have to give the report to the income tax also. So for income tax depreciation key, as per income tax rate, as per income tax, separate depreciation key will be created for each asset. We will create the separate depreciation key because in the Income Tax Act, we will get the different percent rate as per the assets. So as per the income tax rates, we will create the different depreciation key for each asset block. This is the example. We will create INT1 tax depreciation key for 40% rate, INT2 for 10% rate, and similarly if it is a 10%, so we will use this same key. So like this we will create a different depreciation key as per the income tax. So we have to calculate the depreciation for two areas, for a income tax and for a Companies Act. Clear? Now next is useful life as per asset class. What is useful life asset class? It will be a clear, I think, because I have used the example for a useful life also. So listen once again. Each asset class useful life is provided by the core team as per the government norms. We will get to know by the core team members what is the useful life of their asset for 10 years, 5 years, whatever it is. So in today's video, we have discussed these terms. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. In our next video, we will learn about the configurations of asset accounting. Till then, do practice.